now I know where you're going. Are you hot? Show me. Oh, your hand is all wet. So guys, GB and Henry in Europe, and GB is feeling hot, and we just done a stopover on one of the services, and guess where we are? We are in your hand is hot. Oh no, we're not allowed to do that. That's not good. Okay. Okay guys, so I wanted to get my pronunciation right. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. It's Slovakia. We are in Slovakia at the moment. Slovakia is one of services on the motorway. Shops. Restaurant, yeah, whatever you call it. It's so cute, and Jimmy wanted to play. He went to the toilets, and after that he said he wanted to take his Henry out and play with Henry, and I thought, why not? Let's go play with Henry. And he's busy with the hose now.
Mama, there's a plane.
What a beautiful garden they have. Oh my days, where did you put your Henry, GB? Oh, you silly Billy. Oh my God, you silly Billy GB. What's this? Oh my God, this is so cute. I think GB, Henry and Mommy in love. Yes, we are in love with this place. Beautiful, and it's very cute. Guys, on this holiday, GB's not been feeling well, so not so good. So from past few days, he's getting better, and now he's enjoying with his Henry. GB, get your Henry and let's go in the car, darling. Come on. Oh my God, GB! Come! Get your Henry. Okay. I think I'm gonna go bring GB now. Are you a little scared? Are you scared? Yes? Okay. Mommy's coming to get you, darling. Your Henry's waiting. Come on.
No.
Good boy. Come on, go grab your Henry. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
What is that?
Why are you doing this? Huh? Okay, GB.
Why cut?
Oh, why?
What's this?
Guys, right at the end, GB wants to say hi to. Say hi to Tai Tai. Say hi to Tai Tai.
Hi, Tai Tai.
Hi, Tai Tai. A little shout out to Tai Tai. All the way from Slovakia.